Hello everyone, this is Payal Sehgal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how you can make your own organic lip and cheek tint at home. So for making this lip and cheek tint, you just need two items, that is beetroot and glycerine. This is the tint that I've made from one beetroot and 1 teaspoon of glycerine. Let me show you this, and it's beautiful. I'm even wearing it on my lips right now. So I'll give you a quick tutorial on how you can make your own lip tint and cheek stain at home. These are the ingredients that you need: beetroot and glycerine. Step 1 is to take a medium sized beetroot and cut the beetroot like this. Step 2, add the beetroot in the grinder and make a fine paste of it. I have used this glycerine. You can use whichever is available in the market. Step 3 is to squeeze the beetroot paste and take out the juice in a bowl, and you will have to strain the juice. The strained juice will look like this. Just make sure there are no chunks of beetroot in it. It should be just the juice. This is how the pulp and the juice will look like separately. The color of the pulp will be faded as we will squeeze all the juice of the beetroot and use it for the tint. So now next step is you take a pan in which you pour some water, you boil the water and place the mixture in a Borosil container or a steel container. Don't use any other glass container because of the heat it can break. So just make sure it should be Borosil or a steel container and let the beetroot juice heat for 10 minutes. After waiting for 10 minutes, we put 1 teaspoon of glycerine in it and boil the whole mixture for 25 minutes more. After 25 minutes, you let the mixture cool down, and once the mixture is cooled down, you transfer it in any of the containers that is there at home. I have transferred it in a dropper and it's ready to use, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I tried it on my hand a bit and see how beautifully my hand is stained. Guys, so here I present my own personal handmade Benetint, which is even better than Benetint, and it's completely natural. So I'm gonna show you. I'm using it already on my cheeks. You can see the glow. So what you do is you take it out, you place it in a dropper, or you can keep it in a bottle and just take few drops like this, and just like this. Just be very careful. You don't have to wait for too long to settle it on your skin. It works really nicely. I mean, it's so good and it's very nourishing. I have been using Benetint since a very long time, and I had noticed one thing in Benetint, that if you use it on your lips without Vaseline, it makes your lips very dry. As this product has glycerine in it, it will not make your lips dry. So let's try it. I'm already wearing it on my lips, but I'll dab a bit more. And it's completely, it makes you feel very smooth and nice, and you can use your fingers. It stains your fingers a bit, but that's fine. You can use a brush also, and if you have empty bottle of a tint, you can pour it in that and use that brush to actually use the handmade beetroot lip and cheek tint. It took me time to say that. Okay, so this and this, I'm so happy that I actually tried this recipe. I tried making this tint by the second experiment that I was doing in my kitchen, and finally when I tried it, it was absolutely awesome. So I hope this video helps and you guys are also very easily able to make your own tint at home, your own batch at home, and try it and tell me how did it work for you. And it is going to be amazing for your skin as it has two ingredients, that is beetroot and glycerin. And if you will Google it, you will know that both of them are very good for your skin. So applying this on your skin, you don't have to worry about any side effects because these two things are completely skin friendly and it's really good for good skin. I hope my video helped and you will definitely try making this awesome tint at home. And as you can see today, I'm very happy that I finally got a recipe where I can make my own tint and which is 100% natural and good for skin. So please try and let me know how you like this recipe and how did it feel to actually make your own product at home. I will be back with more DIYs, more organic product making at home, more makeup tutorials, more skincare routines. Till then, you all stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.